left nostril breathing, also known as Chandra pranayama or moon-piercing breathing. It is a yogic breathing technique that calms down the mind, reduces stress as well as balances the nervous system. It is one of the most effective ways to activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which promotes relaxation and rest. The practice of Chandra pranayama involves inhaling through the left nostril and exhaling through the right nostril, while we need to keep the right nostril closed with the thumb throughout the process.
To begin left nostril breathing, sit comfortably on the floor or on a chair, keeping your back straight but relaxed. Gently close your right nostril with your thumb. Inhale deeply and slowly through your left nostril, filling your lungs completely. Close your left nostril with your middle and ring finger or ring and little finger in which your fingers feel comfortable. Releasing your thumb from your right nostril. Breathe out slowly through your right nostril. Repeat the process up to 5 minutes and the process for as long as you want to. I encourage you try to incorporate this breathing technique into your daily life before go to sleep. Observe any changes in your general level of anxiety and in your sleeping pattern. Let me know in the comments below how this practice works for you.